Hello there and welcome to our affiliate landing page. If you are interested in becoming an affiliate after reading through our page here and learning all about our program, then just scroll all the way to the bottom here and we are going to click on this big sign up button that says click here. Once we do that, that's going to take us to a registration form that we need to fill out with our name, our email address, and our password. You could also just register with your Facebook or your Google account. Once you have this information filled out, go ahead and click on register. Once you are registered and logged in and you would like to access the affiliate dashboard, here on the left hand side, all you have to do is click on affiliate. The first time that you try to access the affiliate dashboard, you will need to read and agree to the terms and conditions. So once you've read these, go ahead and check mark this box and click on become an affiliate. And that'll redirect you here to the affiliate dashboard. We can see our total referrals, our paid referrals, any unpaid referrals, and our total transactions. We can also see our total earnings by now and our current balance. And you can also see this at the top right as well with our referrals and our earnings. Moving over to the overall tab, and if we mouse over this will provide us with a drop down where we have our overall stats. These will be things like visits, achievements, things like that. We have our traffic log, any campaign reports, and our referrals history. Next up, we have our profile where we can change things like our password. And we also have our commission settings here. And this is how you can set up your PayPal to receive your commissions. The affiliate program is 100% free. There is no charge to be a part of it. And the settings that you configure here will be how to receive your commissions. All you have to do is enter your PayPal email address where you would like to receive your commissions and then click on save. Next up, we have our marketing. This is where you can find your affiliate links, the campaigns, and your banners. So let's get started with our affiliate links. This here is where you will find your referral URL. Now to use this, all we have to do is copy it, and I'll show you what this looks like when we paste it into a new tab. We can see it redirects to the website, and it is referred by me, so I get credit for any sales. And you can use this link and post it on social media websites, inside of your email newsletters. You can put it on your blog and so forth. And we also have a link generator. So from here, we can choose a specific campaign, which we will create one here in just one moment. We can choose to have the friendly links on or off, and we can specify the URL that we want to send people to on our website. Now, your referral link works for both product sales and also for affiliates who want to sign up other new affiliates to be a part of their network. So you have two options here. You can use the default affiliate link, and users can find the My Account tab. Or you can input the My Account URL into the link generator for a personalized sign-up link as well, specifically for signing up affiliates. Once we do so, we simply click on Generate Link, and that will provide us with a unique affiliate URL that we can use. Let's go ahead and go over here to our campaigns now, and here is where we can create a custom campaign. For example, I'm going to say blog and click on Save. Now that I have my blog campaign created, I can go back into my affiliate links, and when I generate a link, I can choose blog as the campaign. And now when I send sales to that link, I know they came from my blog, for example. So in my case, I would create a new campaign for each avenue or medium that I'm going to use to promote these products. Lastly, underneath our marketing, we are going to go to our banners. And here is where we can copy the code to use a banner on our website. So we can see the banner, what it looks like. We can see the size, the URL, and then finally the code that all we have to do is copy and paste it. And scrolling down here, you can see we have all kinds of different sizes. The last few options that we have are our referrals, where we can see all the referrals that we have, and the payments, where we can see the payments that we've received and the payments that we have upcoming. If you ever want to leave your affiliate dashboard and return back to your order dashboard, simply click on My Account here at the top right, and that will redirect you back to your dashboard. And that's all there is to using our affiliate system.